First teeth. At the age of 6 months, the gums begin to break. And usually the front 2 lower teeth come first. After this, other teeth begin to fill slowly, usually in pairs, on each side of the upper or lower jaw until all 20 teeth are erupted. The primary, or full set of baby teeth are in the mouth at the age of 2.5 to 3 years. Primary teeth reserve space for the permanent counterparts. Primary teeth help in getting good nutrition. Missing or decayed teeth make chewing difficult, causing children to refuse food. Primary teeth give permanent teeth a healthy start, and baby tooth decay and infection can cause dark spots on the development of their lower permanent teeth. Permanent teeth come in around the age of 6. In some children, the incised front teeth emerge first. By the age of 13, most of the 28 teeth are fully erupted. Third molars, or wisdom teeth, between the ages of 17 and 21, which makes the total number of permanent teeth 32.